Hello everybody, I am the Magic Wig Maker. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you are a frequent viewer, you know that I love revamping new hair units from used hair pieces in my grab bag. The unit I'm transforming today is from a wig I used in a previous video. A couple of days ago, I was thinking, what can I do with this that I've never done before? Then it came to me, a cute updo using most of my own hair to blend in with it. I hope you will enjoy this grab bag transformation. I'd love to make a hair unit for you from my grab bag of goodies. If you'd like to appear in one of my videos, I'll make it for absolutely free. Check out my contact information in the description. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for joining me. You know how much I appreciate it. I hope that you have enjoyed this transformation makeover on this hair unit that I got out of my grab bag. And hey, I've got lots and lots of hair and units and sections in my grab bag that I'm going to be making cute little hair units out of. If you would like to be in one of my videos and receive a free hair unit that I will make for you from my grab bag of hair goodies, my contact information is in the description. As always, if you haven't done so already, subscribe, like, share, tell others, and most of all, hit that notification bell so you will always get a notification when I am making another video. Thanks again, everybody, for joining me. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.